how to access Duolingo Math on Android. Now, if you already done your research, as what you can see, Duolingo Math is only available for iOS or Apple devices. Now, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can go ahead and access the Duolingo Math on Android or the beta. All you have to do is just simply pull up your preferred web browser. Now, I'm gonna be using Google Chrome for this tutorial, and what you want to do is simply type in duolingo.com/join dash beta. Now you will be redirected to this website. This is only available for the Android devices. Now for you to be able to access it or to run it, you'll have to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can either connect an account using your Facebook or your Google. So that's how quickly you can access Duolingo Math on Android.